Hi, I'm Stacy, and today I'm just going to show you how to put together a Thai beef salad. This is a really simple recipe. It doesn't take very many ingredients, and it's super affordable. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is put together the salad ingredients, which is just the vegetables. I have about 6 cups of lettuce here. You can increase that if you need to. I have 1 whole cucumber sliced, a half a cup of cilantro chopped up, about 1 cup of red onion sliced up, and 1 cup of baby tomatoes that have been sliced in half. And now I'm just going to mix this gently and then set it aside while I show you how to do the dressing. Okay, that should do that. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is add a half a cup of lime juice. I'll take this out for now. I have 1/4 cup of avocado oil, 3 cloves of garlic. I minced this up, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped up ginger, 1 teaspoon of lime zest, 1 teaspoon of sriracha sauce, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm just going to stir this together. Okay, that should do it. And now I'm just going to take a steak here. It's about 1.5 pounds, and I'm going to pour about half of this marinade over it. We're going to use the other half of this for the dressing at the end, so don't use it all on the meat. There we go. Okay, so now I'm just going to cover this and chill this for 20 minutes, and then I'll be right back. All right, so our steak has had plenty of time to sit in the marinade, and now I'm just going to fry it on a medium-high heat temperature in a skillet. Go ahead and pour this sauce in here. We're just going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. All right, this looks like it's just about done. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the heat and transfer it over to a clean plate and let this rest for about 10 minutes before I slice into it. I'll be right back. All right, so our steak has had plenty of time to sit. I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it to a cutting board and slice it into thin strips. You're going to want to cut this across the grain. That way the meat's a little bit more tender when you're trying to chew it. Okay, so that's all we need to do with this. I'll just transfer the rest of this to this plate. And for now, I'm just going to put this on top of the salad. Take off my gloves for a moment. Okay, and then I'm just going to top this with a little bit of peanuts if you like. And a little bit of sesame seeds, just for a little bit of color. Okay, the last step is to take some of the dressing that was reserved and just pour a little bit over the top. You don't need too much. There you go. And that's all there is to it, guys. Have a great day. Bye.